Welcome back to the Bird Chef. Today we're going to be showing you how to make crab stuffed jalapeno poppers. So let's get started. Alright, first up we're going to take our jalapeno peppers. We're going to slice them down the middle. So we have 2 even halves. And we're going to scrape out all those seeds because that's where most of the spice is going to be on these peppers. If you want it spicy, just leave them in there. Alright, now that those seeds have been removed, we're going to take our cream cheese mixture that we made before, and we're going to squeeze that into there evenly. Take our spoon, make sure we get it nice pressed in there. Then we're going to put that on our tray here. And we're going to top it off with some Parmesan cheese. And then we're going to continue with the rest of them. Right, now we got those all stuffed and cheesed. We're going to bake those at 375 for about 20 minutes. And there we have our crab stuffed jalapeno poppers. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for our next video.